Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FRTA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very, very nice move today. Price was pretty much just a slow and steady grind the entire day. Later on in the afternoon, particularly, basically the final hour of the day, you can see volume picked up here and did get rejected back down and, somewhat of a pullback here. But all in all, from the grand scheme of things perspective, obviously the price is much higher, than where it is relative to this little pullback that it had in the late afternoon. So let's first start by mapping out some levels of support. Then we can talk areas of resistance. First area of support is what I would call the ideal level, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? And that would be right up there at $3.80. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $3.80, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above $3.80, that would certainly be a huge sign of power on the bull's part. Next level of support after that, right down there at $3.60. So near term, 380, 362 areas of support. Taking a step back, though, looking at the big picture of things, it's all about the purple line right there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to continue to move itself higher and higher and higher. So from a very simplistic point of view in terms of gauging the health or lack thereof of the overall price movement currently, as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves its way upwards, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control, full strength, however you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, preferably, yeah, staying up above 380 would be fantastic, or 360, but from the grand scheme of things, as long as the price is above that purple line, then the trend is in the bulls' favor. Now, what about areas of resistance? For this, I'm going to scrunch up a chart here a little bit, okay, there's the next big one. Let's see, did it hit that today or no? Oh, man, thing of beauty. Can't make this stuff up. $4.15. Why is that a thing of beauty? Well, there's a rule in charting that says when levels of support. So let's just establish here, you can see that this level was definitely a key level of support. In the past are broken. It was broken right there. They tend to act as resistance, and surprise, surprise, to close out that rule right there acting as resistance. So am I saying 415 is impossible to break? I'm not saying that at all. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price did stop right there. And, going into tomorrow and then next week, apparently the bulls are going to have to either bring their A game to not only fight above 415, but then start to get some closes up above it. All in all, though, anyway, slice it. Very nice day today, so we'll see how the price closes out the week tomorrow. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.